Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be assembling and reviewing the Spacewood brand KOSMO's Hutch style winner study table and share with you Flipkart and Spacewood service experience. Product review after 10 days of usage. I bought this study table from Flipkart for Rs 7,500 including installation. It is also available on Amazon and other major online furniture stores. After searching for multiple study tables, I finalized this unit as it is folding, portable and right on point to my work needs. This study table is made of engineering wood particle board. It comes in two colors. One is natural bench and walnut rigato. The one shown in the video is walnut rigato. The table is 40 cm in length, 108 cm in width and 120 cm in height, that is around 4 feet, and it weighs 37 kgs. The Spacewood Winner study table in walnut rigato color is artistically designed study table and has plenty of storage space. It fits right in any room of your home. The table has several shelves to store books and stationery and an adjustable top which can be opened when needed. It also doubles up as a writing desk, a laptop table and study desk, which can be kept back in place when not required. The table also has 3 closed cabinets with openable doors to keep important files and documents. You can also place equipments on top of the table and 3 open shelves inside the adjustable board to keep small devices as per your requirement. Also, there is a shelf below the folding desk to keep books. As for me, I'll be keeping my son's toys as it is reachable. The product requires carpenter assembly and is provided by the seller. It has 36 months of manufacturing defects warranty. Also, it is water resistance, fungus termite resistance and scratch proof. I bought this unit on 29th of September and it was delivered to me on 7th of October. I was contacted by GV's service technician the same day for installation. I was really surprised for such quick service. The technician visited within 4 hours of the delivery. After starting with the assembly, found out that the part B, that is closed shelf, had a manufacturing defect. So he initiated the return for replacement, but the same day I was informed that I was getting a refund instead of a replacement. So I contacted Flipkart and cancelled the refund, saying that I wanted to keep the product and I wanted the product replacement or spare replacement. But the team did not respond regarding the replacement and was kept pending for 4 days, and the case is still not resolved. So not getting help from Flipkart, I tried contacting the Spacewood representative directly regarding the defect on 9th October 2020, and I sent a mail to Spacewood Consumer Care including the defect snapshot and copy of invoice. I received the replacement spare part within 3 days and the installation was done by them in another 3 days after multiple reminders, free of cost from their end, and have assured free service till 36 months for manufacturing defects. When I informed Flipkart representatives regarding the spare replacement that I received from the manufacturer, they were reluctant to send technician for installation. The case is still pending, and now after 20 days they have sent me a mail to assemble the unit on your own cost from third party. and the bill will be reimbursed after sending them a valid copy of the bill. I am still in talks with Flipkart regarding this. Even though it was a quick service, I had a bad after sales experience. Thanks to Spacewood Consumer Care who resolved the issue. I had a simple folding table for work at home, and things used to pile up on the table now and then. And my son Jiansh used to pull cables and stuffs from the table, risking my electronic equipments like cameras, hard drives to fail. I wanted something portable and storage so that I could keep my laptops, cameras, and external hard drives safe from my son. Finally, the table is sturdy enough and looks beautiful and can fit in any room. 1 foot bigger than this size would have made it a complete package. I will be adding magnets to the openable doors. This table comes unassembled and comes with instructions how to install the table. A consumer can install the table if he knows the basic things. Thanks for watching. Do like, share the video if you liked it, and subscribe to watch more such videos. Thank you.